What's the meaning of carbonated? Carbonated. Carbonated.
Carbonated. Carbonated. Carbonated refers to a process in which carbon dioxide gas is dissolved into a liquid, typically water. The result of carbonation is a fizzy or effervescent liquid that contains small bubbles of carbon dioxide gas. When the carbonated liquid is opened or poured, the gas is released and the bubbles rise to the surface, creating a distinct sensation on the tongue and in the throat. Carbonated beverages, such as soda and sparkling water, are popularly consumed for their refreshing taste and the unique sensation they create.